Hi friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken stock powder which can enhance your food to get more delicious when you add a tablespoon of it. And to do that, let's go and start it. And to start with, we'll be using one zucchini or courgette just cut into chunks, and three celery sticks. This is also we are going to cut into chunks. Two medium carrots, two medium onions or one large onion if you have, so here I've got 330 grams of chicken breast. So I'm going to dab this with a paper towel so all the water is been gone. There's no any moisture left for this. Let's cut this into a chunks. So now in a mixer jar, I'm going to add all these chicken cubes. Now I'm going to go and grind this. And this is how it's going to be once it's grounded. Now let's keep this in a separate bowl. You might be thinking, why did I not use chicken mince instead of chicken breast? The reason why I not use it, because if I use chicken mince, there will be a water released at the time when I would prepare this. So that's why we use always chicken breast. Now we have to blend the vegetables. So first I'll use onion, celery sticks, carrot, courgette or zucchini, whatever you call them. Use 2 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, or you can use one whole garlic pod. Here we are not going to add any water. Now let's go and grind this. This is the result once you ground this. Make sure just don't grind it for more than 30 seconds. It depends on every single mixture. The texture, as you see, it's quite rough. This is how I'm looking for. So in a small mixer jar, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of dry coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 6 to 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 2 cardamoms. Now I'm going to grind this to a smooth powder. Here I still need to ground this, but here I forgot one of my ingredients, which is a bay leaf. I have to add this. Good, I remembered it. This is very key ingredient for me. Just make pieces of bay leaves and just put it and ground it to a smooth paste again. Here I've grounded this masala. This is absolutely ready. Now we're going to mix all this together. So this is the vegetable mix grounded. It's in the mixer. Now I'm going to add all that powder that we had done of the spices. I'm going to add that chicken as well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of white wine. So now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of rock salt. This is Himalayan rock salt. If you have not got rock salt with you, the Himalayan one, you can use any normal salt as well. As you know, this is a chicken stock powder which is going to give a flavor for the food. So you can adjust your salt at the time when you're going to cook it. So this everything is ready. We're not going to add any water or nothing in this. So now let's go and blend this all together. This is how it's going to be once we have grounded it. Now in a baking tray, we're going to put this and spread it all over. So now this, I'm going to bake this on 110 degrees for half an hour. I already preheated the oven. As you all know, I had done the Maggi cubes of veg last time. This is exactly the same. What I'm going to do, a powder out of this, and this is going to be same as like a food taster. This is going to be the result once you bake it. Make sure everything is dry and then you can get it out. Break it into pieces. Now we are going to put this in a mixer grinder to make it into smooth powder. Let's go and grind this. So this is how it's going to be once you ground it. Now I'm going to go and stain this. So friends, I'm going to stain everything to keep all the hard particles out, and I'm going to store this into a glass container. So friends, our chicken stock powder is ready. If you liked our recipe, show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.